The sweet folks at CutterPillar sent me this CutterPillar Glow. Y'all might not have seen this before. I am an affiliate with them. Okay, so I do have a coupon code. I have been for, they must have sent me this a year or more ago. I've had it a really long time. So I've been an affiliate for a really long time, but I haven't shown you guys. And I really think it's kind of neat. I want to show you a couple features about it before we get started, because if you guys aren't familiar, you might have some questions. So let me show you. So first off, this piece here is an extra piece. This is a self-healing mat that comes off. If you're light sensitive, I want you to look away for a second, okay? If you're sensitive to light, if it could cause anything for you, I want you to look away. This is a light board. All right, I'm gonna light it up. 3, 2, 1, everybody. All right, there's light number 1. It goes 3 different, what would it be? Brightnesses. There's 1, 2, 3, and then off. Okay, I wanted to show you that. Now I've got the light off, so if you had to look away, the light is now off. And I want to do it one more time, but I want to show you what it's like with the self-healing mat on, because it's pretty cool. The reason I really like this for the sewing room is because I have dark spots in my sewing room, like places where I cut, but also if you struggle with your ruler situation, like lining up your ruler and things like that, when the light is on, it really helps. So I'm going to do the same thing with the light. So if you're light sensitive, I want you to look away. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to show you with the light again. And I really love it with this first brightness. I'm going to say lowest brightness. Look away, doing it again. There's the second. So you can see that. I'm going to explain this in a minute. But you can see how bright that is. And then the third. If you struggle seeing, this might be really cool for you. Okay. For example, if you're really trying to line something up, precision, I mean, I can really see my ruler guides underneath there. If you struggle seeing things, this might be great for you. It may not be. I just wanted to show you about it. I'm going to put it on light because I like it there. I just wanted to show you about it because in case you like it. Now, in the description of the video, a coupon code for anything you buy from the website. And then if you purchase from my link, I obviously get a small commission because that's how affiliate works. Okay, 15% off. Make sure you put in Maymay Helms. It looks like it's all one word, all capital letters. There's other accessories that can go with this, not just this mat. There's other accessories. Something that's really cool, I want to show you in case you're wondering. I want to show you this. This has a little bit of a grip on the back of it, this cutting mat. So when you put it down, I'm going to put it off center. And then, can you see my hand pushing? Look. It grips to your light board. I'm not holding it still. No tricks. Here's my other hand. Let me turn my other hand like this so you know. Well, it's hard to know. Okay, other hand's over here. And I'm not holding it still. So it does grip to the cutting mat or to the surface. So that's really cool too. Not very big, and it does plug in. They have I think they have an upgraded version that you can charge. So you can take it with you and not have, mine's plugged in right now. There is one thing about it, and I do think they have a fix around it. It is not, is it glass? It's not glass. I'll have to look at what the product is, but they do have a glass topper for it. If you want to put a glass piece down, if you're a mixed media artist, it'd be a great idea to get you a glass topper if you're mixed media, so you don't stain the actual dude. If you want to know more about it, let me know, and I'll do a full workup on this guy, a full demo and all that kind of stuff.